Hello student, today we will do question number 5 from exercise 4.3 NCERT math books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. The question is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Area is given 400. So first we'll let length be x and breadth b. Area is 400, so breadth will be 400 divided by x. According to question, perimeter is given, so perimeter formula 2 into L plus B is equal to given 80. So 2, here we have L, suppose x, breadth is 400 by x equal to 80. 2 divide, then this will be x square plus 400 divided by x, and 2 will come divide this, so this will be 40. X square plus 400 is equal to 40x. X square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we will find discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is equal to minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. This will be 1600 minus 1600 is equal to 0. So d is equal to 0. Then therefore equal and real roots. So this is possible, then equal and real roots. Now x is equal to, then x is equal to minus b, minus equation is this, so this will be 40 plus minus b square minus 4ac, so this will be 0 by 2 is equal to, then 40 by 2, 20 is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20, means length is equal to 20. Then breadth, therefore length is equal to length is equal to 20 meter, and breadth is equal to 400 by 20. This is also 20, so 20 meter. So L is equal to 20 meter and B is equal to also 20 meter. This is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.